Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google account or Chrome security setting on your Google account. And in today's video, I'm going to give you advanced security that you can give to your Google account right now in this video. All you have to do is to watch this step by step I'm taking in this video and see how to give your Google account advanced security right now in order to protect your account. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then when you open up your Chrome browser, ensure you have login with your Gmail account and password. After you have successfully logged into your Chrome browser, go ahead and come to the top right here. Click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down all the way down until you get to settings right here. Go ahead and hit on settings. Now it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to privacy and security tab right here. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you come down to security setting right here. So click on that. Now, first thing first, make sure you enhance your safe browsing right here and make sure this is checked. Okay. So once you make sure this is checked and you have been protected by some of these informations right here. Lastly, scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google Advanced Protection Program. Make sure you enroll for that. Just click on the link and it's going to redirect and open up right there. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on Get Started for Google Strongest Security app. So click on Get Started right here. And you'll be asked to sign in with your Gmail account. Then go ahead and enter your passkey or two-factor authentication password just to verify you. Now you are here. The Advanced Protection Program. Advanced Protection is safeguarding your account. This is a message from Google. Scroll down right here and read the details right here. How you sign in with Advanced Protection. Here, if this particular point here is not been enabled, make sure this is enabled. Keep passkey and security key. So if you have not enrolled for it, click on here and create a passkey for your account. This is one of the strongest security you can give to your account. Next one right here is recovery email. Make sure if you do not have a recovery email, make sure you go ahead and click on here and make sure you add your recovery email. Lastly, add your recovery, make sure you have your recovery phone number right here. And if you have not enrolled with your recovery phone number, make sure you have a phone number right here. Lastly, recovery email address. Make sure you click on here and add a recovery email address. So make sure these three buttons here are green. Once they are green, then come down below right here and hit on enroll for advanced protection program in Google. Come down below right here and hit on enroll for advanced protection program. I have already done that. That is where you see on enroll for here. But from your own hand, if you have not enrolled for advanced protection program, it is advisable that you hit on enroll for advanced protection program. After you apply for advanced protection program, your Google account security is going to be improved, and then Google is going to send a copy of security protection to your Gmail account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to protect your Google account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video.